So it's all about food. So today we are gonna cook, or is it cooking or making pancakes? And let's begin. So our ingredients for today, we must have a bowl. It's not an ingredient. A silver spoon or a whisk. So our first ingredient, first, you must have eggs. You can use either one or two, depending with the number of pancakes you wanna make. And after the eggs, you require to have sugar. If not sugar, you can use honey. I prefer honey. The next one is baking powder. You require oil, whichever oil you want to use, it's your preference. All-purpose flour, or you can use the self-raising flour. A cup of milk. You can add some spices or flavor. I prefer cinnamon. And then, last but not least, your cooking pan. And let's begin. So in my bowl, we're gonna start with the eggs. So I'll be using 2 eggs preferably. Then you add your sugar or your honey. For sugar, you add 2 tablespoons. For honey, you can put 1 tablespoon. It depends with how sweet your tooth is. Then you stir up until it's all dissolved. It's all a mix. Mix well to become one solution. After your mixture is all done, you can now add the 1 cup of milk. It can be warm or lukewarm. And then you mix it well. And then from here, don't forget the cooking oil. You put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. After you mix up, you take your sieving, your kichungi, ama your sieve. You add 1 cup of flour, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. All the dry ingredients, you put them under the sieve and we sieve them to remove the air so that it can be all fine. Your butter shouldn't be too thick nor too thin. It should be like this. After this now, it's time for cooking. Make sure your pan is heated all up. You shouldn't add any oil, so we're not cooking with any oil because they've already added while mixing up the ingredients. And let's begin. Let the magic happen. You put according to what size you want them to be. You want them small, you put a little amount. You want them big. Don't spread it out with your spoon. And now we wait for it to bubble up so that we can turn it. Okay?